Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Art Oracles Creative and Life Inspiration from 50 different artists on cards. It came out in August of 2017, so it's about a year old. It's by Katya Tolovich, who's the author, and Mikkel Summer Christensen, who is the illustrator. So, a little bit about these cards are kind of like tarot cards. It basically says change your life with art today, consult with the oracles today. I'm not exactly sure who everybody is on the front of this. I think that is Basquiat. I think that is let's see, wait, hold on, does it say? It doesn't say. I know for sure that's Vincent van Gogh. I think that's Basquiat, and I think that's Salvador Dali. I do not know. Remember her name. But what I lack in knowledge about what artists look like, I have this great set of 50 oracle cards that my sister gave me for my birthday. So you can be guided and inspired by the world's greatest artists with this set of oracle cards. Are you suffering from a creative block? Struggling to make a difficult decision? Find out what Picasso, Jackson Pollock, Frida Kahlo, and other great artists would have done. Simply select an artist card from the pack, select the oracle's advice on life, work, or inspiration, or any obstacle that becomes insurmountable. And this contains 50 oracle cards plus a booklet featuring the artist's biographies and how to use the cards. So this is basically the guide to the oracles. Each one has a symbol. For the life is a spiral, work is a pencil, and inspiration is an eye. That's who it is. Yayoi Kusama. There's Edvard Munch, who did The Screamer. And this little book goes through all the the 50 different artists that they put into these oracle cards. So, there's Vincent van Gogh, Gustav Klimt, Paul Gauguin. And it's interesting that they did paintings of them that reference their own paintings, which is really cool. The Edvard Munch one, Henri Matisse, Henri, and Mondrian, Pablo Picasso. So this is the whole guide, just telling you about each different artist. And then in here comes a deck of cards. And I guess it gives you advice on life, work, and inspiration. It also gives you inspiration. So on each one of these cards, there's one specific artist. So I'm just going to pick through here, and let's see, we've landed on Cindy Sherman. So for life advice, it says, don't be yourself, be yourselves. Tell the truth in every fiction. So that's for work advice. And for inspiration, take a good long look in someone else's mirror. So this would be Cindy Sherman, and this is one of the cards. And let's do one more. I'm just gonna randomly here. Let's go for Gustav Klimt. It's one of my favorite artists. So for life advice, every portrait is a self-portrait. For work advice, if no group will have you, start your own. And for inspiration, like gold, eroticism fluctuates with the times. So All very wise things. Altogether, I'd say it's a very nice gift that my sister gave me. It's very sweet. It's super fun. Getting the wisdom from artists from long ago, and makes a great present, like I said. And it comes with this guide about all 50 artists that are referenced in this set, the art oracles. So that's the back of it. Manufactured in China and published in London. So yeah, this is the art oracles. I think it's pretty cool. Don't take my word for it. Check it out yourself. And thanks so much for watching.